884,000 views, 676,000 views, 646,000 views, and another one just casually crossing 100,000. And here's the crazy part. Some of these videos were posted just 1 month ago. No studio, no actors, no film crew, just AI. This channel called Nova AI Films is quietly going viral, pulling in millions of views using nothing but AI-generated videos.
Tempered in an unknown repeating signal.
This isn't a transmission.
It's a pattern.
They're not invading. They're syncing with us.
And it's making anywhere from $3,400 to over $9,000 per month with content that didn't require a single camera. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, but AI videos always look fake, glitchy, or just off. Yeah, I thought the same thing until this showed up. Seedance 2.0 just went nuclear. This isn't the AI video you've seen before. This is cinematic, multi-shot storytelling with real camera movement, consistent characters, and dialogue that actually feels human. Honestly, Hollywood should be nervous because what used to take a full production team, a 6-figure budget, and months of work can now be done from a laptop. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI website that can generate these cinematic AI movie videos. No fluff, no gatekeeping. Let's get into it. Step 1. Generate video prompts. First, go to OpenArt.ai using the link in the description because this is the platform we'll be using for the entire process. After that, copy the prompt I provided below the video, then open ChatGPT in another tab. Paste that prompt into ChatGPT and ask it to generate your cinematic video prompts. Within seconds, it will create detailed scene-by-scene prompts for your video. Step 2. Generate the video. Once your prompts are ready, go back into OpenArt. You'll notice there are several ways to generate video, including image to video, text to video, and video to video, and more. Click on Text to Video. For the model, you can see a lot of video generation tools, but for the best cinematic results, you want to choose Seedance 2.0 because it's currently one of the strongest video models available. Now paste your first scene prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it fits perfectly for YouTube. Change the duration to 10 seconds and then click Generate.
Tempered in an unknown repeating signal.
This isn't a transmission.
It's a pattern.
After your first clip is created, click Add Visual References and use that previous clip as a reference before generating the next scene. This helps keep the characters, style, and camera look consistent throughout the entire video. Then paste your second scene prompt, generate again, and continue repeating the same process for all remaining scenes until every clip is finished. Step 3. Combine your clips. After all your clips are generated, drag each one down into the timeline inside OpenArt and arrange them in the correct order. Once everything is in place, add smooth transitions between the scenes so the video flows naturally from one moment to the next. Then simply click Export to render your final video. The best part is that OpenArt can already generate the voice, sound effects, and cinematic atmosphere for you, so you can create a professional AI movie without needing extra editing software. If you want access to Seedance 2.0, OpenArt is currently offering 60% off on annual plans. And honestly, it's one of the best deals right now. If you're just starting, the Infinite plan at about $28 per month is more than enough to create and upload consistently. But if you want to scale bigger, there's the Wonder plan at around $96 per month, and it gives you the kind of generation power that can help you scale faster and potentially push toward $10,000 or more per month if you execute it the right way. And you will get 60% off for unlimited time. Thanks for watching and hit subscribe.